How to remove users from Netflix account. First is by opening your web browser such as your Safari or your Chrome. So in this tutorial, I will be using Safari. Go ahead on netflix.com and make sure to sign in with your account. Once you have done that, go to these three lines found on the upper left corner of the screen and go to account right here. Wait for it to load and scroll down to the bottom of the page until you can see the sign out of all devices right here. Under security and privacy, you may see sign out of all devices. So click on that one and then make sure to click on sign out once again. So there you go. What this will do is that it will sign out all of those devices in which your Netflix account has been signed in with. So that's it. That's how you can remove users from Netflix account.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.